Hey there, my good friends, and welcome to Section 3 of our Google AdSense video training series, Advanced Google AdSense Strategies. We're glad to see you keeping up with us this far, because we're about to get into the deep stuff. The contents in this section include increasing ad revenue with link units, increasing ad revenue with a custom search engine, implementing AdSense section targeting, implementing ad placement targeting, crazy simple ways to double traffic to your AdSense site, and money-making AdSense optimization tips and strategies. So let's fire off this section with a video dedicated to a simple yet very effective strategy that will help you to quickly increase your AdSense revenue. Increasing ad revenue with link units. So, what are link units all about? Well, link units are text ad units that target topics that are relevant to the page's content as well as the visitor's interests. Because these types of ad units directly target keywords that have been used by the visitor on the page, they're very likely to increase earnings per click over time. To create a link unit, you have to start on your AdSense dashboard. And from there, you'll have to click on the My Ads tab. Then you'll have to click on Ad Units, and then on the New Ad Unit button. Now select Text and Display Ads. Start by naming your new link unit in the Name field. Now select Link Ads on the Ad Size menu. There are several size variations for link units, but we recommend you to select the responsive links variation to create a link unit that can automatically adapt to your page layout. Now select the text ad style, set a custom channel if you plan to track your new link unit, and select the If No Ads Available condition. Now click on Save and Get Code. Now copy your link unit code and go to your WordPress dashboard. Hover over the Widgets tab on the left-hand menu and click on the Widgets option. Now click on the Custom HTML widget. Select the placement for your link unit and click on Add Widget. Now name your new link unit in the title field and paste the code in the content field. Now click on Save and then on Done. And that's it! Now your site will be ready to serve highly relevant link units.